Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2021 GMC Sierra 3500 in a base model trim, I believe, and powered by a 6.6-liter Duramax Turbodiesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. It does also have vinyl flooring that's easier to clean and keep clean. And this vehicle has remote keyless entry, which is always a nice convenience. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 73,758 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, you have your cruise controls, and then you actually have this knob up here on your screen, so you can cycle through your digital speedometer. And then trip information for 1 and 2, fuel range, tire pressures, oil life, a lot of service info, trailer brake, engine hours. And then moving on to the left of the steering wheel, here you have your tow haul mode button, and then you have your 4x4 controls and lighting controls. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, USB and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Moving down from that, you have your media controls and then your climate controls. Pretty simple, easy to use, does have AC. And then you've got your diesel exhaust brake, your tailgate release, hazards, traction control shut off, and then you have your trailer brake controller, as well as USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. Then looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have a bunch of little cubbies and 2 cup holders, as well as your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside. Then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.